Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you machinists out there. The MAGID Gemstone Y50 Performance Anti-Fog Safety Glasses with Side Shields. If you're looking for top-notch eye protection while working with machinery, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and benefits of these safety glasses to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with an overview of the MAGID Gemstone Y50 safety glasses. These safety glasses are designed for the modern machinist who values both style and safety. They come with a sleek black frame that not only looks good but also encourages wear, promoting compliance and safety on the job. One of the standout features of these glasses is the clear side shields. These shields serve two crucial purposes. They preserve your peripheral vision while adding an extra layer of protection against splashes and debris. Plus, they're permanent, so you don't have to worry about constantly adjusting or replacing them. The clear lenses on these safety glasses are made from scratch-resistant polycarbonate. They meet ANSI Z87.1 2015 high-impact standards, ensuring your eyes are well protected in hazardous environments. And the best part? Clear lenses won't distort colors or impair your vision, allowing you to work with precision. Comfort is key when it comes to safety glasses, and the MAGID Gemstone Y50 doesn't disappoint. The lightweight nylon frame is incredibly comfortable to wear, making it easier to keep them on throughout your workday. Plus, they come with soft gray temple pads pre-installed for that added comfort. Working in conditions where fogging can be an issue? These glasses have got you covered with their anti-fog coating. You can trust these safety glasses to keep your vision clear, even when the pressure is on. Now, let's talk about the price. These glasses are available on Amazon, and while they provide top-notch protection, they won't break the bank. Plus, they're backed by a 4.6-star rating with over 30,000 reviews, so you know you're getting a quality product. To wrap things up, the MAGID Gemstone Y50 Performance Anti-Fog Safety Glasses are undoubtedly some of the best safety glasses for machinists on the market. They offer a winning combination of style, comfort, and protection, all at an affordable price. If you want to keep your eyes safe and look good doing it, these glasses are a fantastic choice. That's it for today's review of the MAGID Gemstone Y50 safety glasses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. And as always, if you have any questions or if you've used these glasses before, share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, machinists.